Alright guys, this is going to be the biggest change of my whole entire life. Something that I've never had happen to me ever in the history of ever. I'm going to get my hair bleached. You're gonna see a whole new Jackson. And, yelling. So I'm not an expert, but I believe this is the bleach.
Nope.
And, no? Oh, I thought it actually was. I thought I was being trying to be funny. Okay, so that's, okay. So I don't know what I'm doing at all. That's why we have So this is the bleach, even though it says blue, so that confused me. It kind of looks like cottage cream or like cottage cheese.
Powder in there.
Cause like you know what? Yeah, an oversized, like I would like eat this.
Please don't. You will die.
Don't eat it.
Reveal. Why is it blue?
Because it's quick blue powder. It's powder.
Because it cancels out. Yeah. Color theory.
Color theory.
So in order to not get things dirty, I gotta take this off.
Ew.
Guys, I don't want to take it off if I don't have to. I don't want to if I don't have to.
How am I gonna dye your hair if you're facing me? Second question. Can you take your pants off? So they don't get bleached.
I have to take everything off?
You gotta strip.
Hey, make sure you don't like look down, okay? Ah! Realize. Okay.
So these are the.
Those are the.
Yeah,
okay, so I'm not gonna be like actually naked.
No, you can wear this shorts.
Okay, good. That's good because these would have been embarrassing for the video.
America,
Dude. Can I put a towel on my leg?
This is
Really?
Punky
No?
stress
Can
relieving.
I seriously? No, I get a towel for my leg. Oh my gosh. I'm so actually not used to like some.
And he says he has a strong pain. Wait, fuck. And he says he has a high pain tolerance.
It hurts. Hey, and like David said, okay, he says that I have a high pain tolerance, but I am easily
Inconvenienced. Upset.
You're just
Annoyed, easily bothered. I'll just get the sound.
Your legs, you stop asking.
Oh.
he's
So
stalling.
as you can see, she's had experience before. And yes, this is bleach.
Oh, this is also my experience.
Oh yeah, take a gander.
Everybody that I had do hair in high school, I had sign the pants and do the date and what I did. Don't look at the crotch though. I was wearing them when I was painting and I had a heat gun and it was really cold outside and I melted the pants right on the crotch. So don't look.
Wow, we are actually going in. Look at this.
Yeah.
Don't I look good? Hey, now you don't see me shirtless anymore. Yay. I see myself in the mirror and I look so silly.
Interview.
Oh, okay, what's up?
How do you feel right now?
I don't know, I think it's one of those kind of impulsive decisions where it's like, you don't really hit it until it happens, so that's kind of happening right now. You know, I'm not nervous, but I think it may hit.
Were you the one to make the impulsive decision, or was it us?
It was heavily influenced by you two, definitely. And Punky's been wanting it for a long time, and I figured, hey, it's the end of August, all right before school, so we might have a little bit of time before school actually starts. If I don't like it, we can get rid of it.
It's a potion.
Here, want to narrate?
So tell us your recipe.
1 scoop bleach. 1 of these of developer. Stir thoroughly.
You know what that looks like?
I do know what that looks like. Well, Jackson doesn't. He can't relate. Stirring
Just
thoroughly.
stop.
Bites his lip.
Dude, why? Dude, you got.
When I made it with dark green and light green thread, and then I bleached my friend's hair, and now it's yellow and white.
Wow.
So a little fun fact for you guys. Extra large doctor gloves. When was the last time you had a prostate exam?
I was about to say, like, I was like doing the enema, like Blink 182.
You getting nervous there?
I'm an airplane. Get the dip in.
The dip.
Scoop.
Wait, was it actually happening?
Yeah.
Wait.
No stalling.
Okay, I'm ready.
We'll hold you down.
Oh my gosh. That's it, right?
Yeah.
It's going in.
I'll go on
Wait,
this side so you guys can see.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh! Wait.
Ready?
It's going in. Oh my god!
Ah!
Oh my gosh! You really just did not hold back.
What if we
Oh.
accidentally got the wrong formula and we ruined his hair?
That'd be so funny.
Guys-
Also embarrassing to me.
Guys, instead of dyeing my hair, I go bald.
Thank you.
Or you could have the classic, just have one spot on the very top that isn't bleached.
I'm so hunched over right now. Are we bleaching my whole hair?
Your hole?
Your
hole's already.
What? I'm no longer a hair virgin.
Look at it. He's blonde. Hey Jackson, what have you learned about the biology of hair?
No, I always knew it. I just was kind of gaslighting myself into not believing it. But you can wait for it to grow out, and then the new hair is all healthy, so you don't have to worry about that hair being all damaged. So in theory, if I don't like it, I can just shave it all off, and then it'll be all healthy again.
Good job,
And
Jackson.
black. So
In theory.
in
Literally
theory.
science.
Okay, Jackson. So, tell us, not when it starts to be irritating, but when it starts actually hurting, tell us because it's gone too far.
It's gonna hurt. Wait, I'm gonna feel a sting.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's how you know it's done.
no. Okay. Well, hey, I've experienced pain before.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna test your high pain tolerance right now.
I got a high pain tolerance, but I'm easily bothered. David Evian, 2021. No, not that high. It could be a little, okay, it's normal height. Okay, I'm just. You guys never told me how bad it was gonna stink.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
smells like cat litter.
It smells. That's
Or whatever's in the cat
It is what
litter.
that smells like. Maybe it's kind of.
It's 'cause
It's like
it's
a cleaner.
ammonia.
It's like pneumonia.
Not pneumonia.
Did you guys watch that movie Nimona? That was like.
That's soaked.
Controversial.
Don't get me to throw.
This is Jackson's DIY head scratcher.
It worked really great. You can just use the pick, and you can kind of just like, and like it itches. Punky's a little short, so I have to completely arc my back so you can get the right height for it.
You're turning into an old man.
You can play music on my phone, so then when you get ready to record it, automatically.
It's starting to lighten.
It is. Oh no! My hair, my beautiful black Asian hair.
Are you ready for the hat of shame?
What the? Wait, I have to wear something? What is this? Wait, what is this for?
Trap the heat.
Yeah.
Trap the heat?
Mm-hmm.
You know, in like when things decompose, how it gets hot and it needs that heat so that everything can work properly.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of the same idea, but completely different.
Makes sense, makes sense.
Just hanging out.
In a closet?
No, in the back.
In a bathroom?
Jackson. What's
What's Jackson doing? Let me see.
He's terrified. No judging him, Mom.
What are you doing? You highlighting?
Yes,
You coloring?
he's highlighting his hair. He's getting some highlights.
Okay. That's a choice.
Okay.
Did you trim the sides of your hair?
Yeah, because it was really annoying me. And so I did most of it, and then
So we never told our mom, and so hair reveal tomorrow for her.
she thinks we're just lightening it. She thinks we're just doing little strands.
We're doing the whole thing.
He's getting beautified.
His lips are crusty. Crusty olive.
Hey, this is a hair video, not a lip video.
He's got his skincare, everything. How you doing, Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
No Muffin Man.
Muffin Man? There's 15 minutes until she checks it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Yeah.
Should we do a sneak peek?
No,
Not for you.
I'll close my eyes.
Alright, are your eyes closed?
It's lightning. Jackson wanted me to show you the outside. So.
The sky.
Oh, the sky.
Yeah. Well, show you the sky.
Yeah, this is what pollution looks like, everybody. Fire season, so it's beautiful.
That's why it's pink.
No, I'm fixing. There we go.
Are you guys ready for reveal of round 1?
Okay, here we go.
This is round 1 reveal. Do you want to close your eyes and then open them when I have it off?
Yeah, let's do that.
So scary. Oh, he's a blondie.
All right,
I
open
don't,
them.
wanna, I don't want to open.
Open them.
Still there.
Yes.
Oh my god, that's my hair.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what your hair is.
we actually bleached your hair.
That is my hair.
Yep, that's on you for the next few months.
Okay. Great.
Okay, this is the 360.
The first round.
Oh shit, I'm not good.
Dude, what the, I gotta. This is for. Okay, redo that.
Okay.
Redo that.
Watch Dad not answer.
It'll be the first time.
Wouldn't be the first time. Call back to the braces video. I look good blonde. POV, your dad doesn't answer. Dad Atwood or dad? Dad Atwood or dad? What? Okay, he's probably not gonna answer.
Dad would.
Deadwood.
Okay. The coldest and most painful,
It's gonna be painful.
a little
For
bit.
you.
So we're gonna be washing it out with ice cold water, and then
And
after
purple shampoo.
we're gonna purple shampoo as well, and then we're gonna do second round. Okay, sticking my head in.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
For it.
Okay. It's getting in my mouth.
Close your mouth then.
That smells like pool.
Yeah.
It feels good actually. It's relaxing.
Yeah, waterboarding him is relaxing. No. You're like a newborn baby. Take me to the first bath.
Oh, we're done.
No, not yet. I gotta wash this out really quick.
Oh, this is nice. Smells like baby. It smells like babies. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You did that on purpose. You did that on purpose.
Yeah, to get the soap off of your back. Alright, towel.
Face first.
Ow!
Sorry.
I'm getting stabbed.
Oh, that's why I felt weird. Oh, that's your leg. Look, that's why I felt weird.
You're stepping on me.
Okay. Oh, what the heck? Okay, face reveal. Ready? Oh my gosh.
You're orange, by the way.
I'm a redhead.
Look at the back.
Oh my gosh.
It's glorious.
You'd make like a very convincing redhead if you weren't Asian.
Oh, wait a minute.
It's splotchy on purpose, by the way.
Wow. Wait, why does this look good though?
He's feeling himself.
He is feeling himself.
Okay, so we're starting round 2 on the floor because the reason why the top of my hair isn't as dyed or bleached is because she couldn't reach on the top. So I'm on the floor now.
Hey Jackson.
Yeah.
Point of origin. I just remembered. He's 20.
Dude, yeah, I've been 20 for 20 years.
I thought you were like 17.
That was 3 years ago. I've also like been in college for like.
Yeah,
so-
you left me.
How is it that I remember you're 15?
Actu-
Oh, because I actually do care for my sibling.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't visit me enough. That
I thought you were gonna visit me.
How I don't have the money.
Or like,
Wait. Okay, yeah, here.
So, Dad, I want to show you something.
Something on you or something on Lily?
Yeah, something on me. You want to see it?
I'm going to.
Are you ready?
I am. Blonde?
Yep. I'm bleaching my hair. Well, it's not blonde because I've got black hair, so it's red.
And is Punky having fun? She looks like she's
I'm having so much fun.
You look very tired.
I got a whiff of just tiredness just now. She's really going at it though. She's got the comb in the hands and she's just...
I feel like this is the one time where Jackson should have an energy drink.
No, energy drinks are bad for you.
He yelled at me for having a Mountain Dew.
Literally, that's the worst soda. Just letting you know.
He's a baby.
He's baby mode right now. Gotta hold up his neck and shampoo his hair.
I know what my thumbnail is gonna be now. Okay, that's good. On the top,
Jackson.
in the back, yes.
You look like a cartoon. Like, this is a cartoon character.
All right, ready? All right, second round reveal. Oh my gosh, it's even more this time. Oh my gosh, dude, I kind of look like an anime.
Okay, look, turn around. Okay.
Oh
The shame.
True redhead right there.
Okay, so Punky, what is the plan now?
So, since we're gonna cut it anyway, I'm going to even this part out so it's kind of like, you know, just chop it like here so we don't waste bleach. And then we're gonna bleach it one more time and then that'll be it. And then we'll try and tone it. I don't know how much toning is actually going to happen, but, I don't know, I kind of like it red.
Me too. It is very anime character.
Yeah.
The first snip.
Ah! What do you think? What do you think? Look good?
Just needs one more round.
One more round, and then platinum.
Well, I don't know about that. One more round and then it's evenly orange.
You're gonna be a redhead like me.
Is really the redhead the option?
I kind of like it. Looks more natural also than platinum. Platinum might wash you out.
What if we do him bright green?
It
No.
doesn't match his skin tone.
No, not bright green. No.
What colors do match? Like purple?
Red.
Red.
Sorry, red matches your skin tone. So I'm toning his hair with purple shampoo right now. As you can see, it's a little bit grayer, a little bit more dull than it was. That's the purple dye in the shampoo counteracting with the red yellow of his hair. Because when you just plain bleach it, it's like really orange. And so I'm gonna let it sit on here for a minute or two until I'm happy with it. And then we can wash it off and see if I want to actually tone it, which is kind of like dyeing. So where you put it on dry hair and let it sit. But I don't know if I want to do that because this might look good. So
Hopefully.
we're checking to see. And it's just like regular shampoo. So you just put it in like shampoo and it foams up like that.
I'm so close. Right?
Yeah.
All right. So are we done?
I have to cut it also and, you know, make it an actual style.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna say, okay, we are done with
The bleach.
the bleaching.
Yes.
Okay. You ready? I haven't seen it yet. Oh my. So what do you think?
I like it.
What do you guys think?
You look like a surfer boy.
A what?
A surfer boy.
Oh,
Surfer
surfer boy. Okay.
Yeah. You got surfer boy and mullet.
It looks good.
Power to go.
The power duo.
No, it looks good. Yeah, this will definitely motivate me to actually style it every day.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're just gonna cut it.
Yep. We're gonna make it a little bit more of a style.
Yeah.
But I think it's gonna look good.
I just wish it was a little bit longer though. It would look good if it was long.
Well, when you spike it up in style.
All right, so haircut done, and then we styled it just a little bit, but it is still wet. But I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot in the next scene, maybe if we have time for that. But it's gonna be posted on my Instagram. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. So if you guys liked how Punky did, just make sure to let us know in the comments below and all that kind of stuff. But we're gonna eat now because we've not had anything to eat today, so.
None of us.
And it's 10:13, so all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.